Need tools? We've got you covered. Go to ChromebookParts.com or click on the link below to pick up this sleek, portable toolkit. Flip the device over and unscrew 3 captive screws from the battery cover plate. Insert the spudger into the slot and pop the battery cover plate free. Peel back the tape and unplug the battery from the motherboard. Unscrew 4 captive screws from the battery. Replace the battery and tighten the 4 captive screws. Plug the battery back into the motherboard. Replace the battery cover plate and push down to snap it back into place. Tighten the 3 captive screws in the battery cover plate.